everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today we're going to make Khoresht Kadoo, which is zucchini stew. It's very delicious. It's a very traditional food of Iran, especially in the Tehran region. And as usual, we always start our Persian foods with starting with chopping our onions. Here's how you start it. Here we go. I just added 3 teaspoons of olive oil to the pan and I let the onion fry together. Make sure you stir the onion occasionally to let it cook evenly. And now it's time to cut our meat. I have extra lean beef here, and for this stew you have to make sure your meat is cut in very small pieces. I have it in this size, but it's still too big for this stew, so I start cutting it to much smaller pieces. We are going to add the meat to the frying onion and let it sizzle beautifully together. Then I'm going to add salt, pepper, and turmeric. Right now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black and red pepper, just a pinch of allspice, and 1/4 of a teaspoon cumin, and then we'll mix it up. At this point, I have to let everything simmer together for about 15 minutes and put the lid on and keep it on medium-low heat. Okay, now it's 15 minutes past. At this point, we're going to add about 2 cups of boiling water to the meat and let it completely cook, and that's going to be about 45 minutes. And then you're going to put the lid on medium heat and take the time for 45 minutes. We have 1 cup of yellow split peas. This is the one that cooks really quickly. That's the reason we're going to add it at the very end to the food. I washed this yellow split peas about 2-3 times to make sure there is no sand, no residue in there, and then I soak it in the hot water till our meat is cooked. Then I'm gonna add it to the meat. Our meat is cooked for about 45 minutes. It's nice and tender, and now at this point we're going to add 2 large spoons of tomato paste. And you have to make sure that there's no lump of tomato paste. It's all mixed very well with the water. And after that, you are going to add the pre-soaked split peas to the stew. I'm gonna put the lid on and let it cook for about 10 minutes. I just wanna make sure the split peas are cooked. Perfect, our lentil and meat and everything is cooked. At this point, we're going to add 5 teaspoons of dried lemons. And stir it together, and then on top of it I have already prepared the zucchinis. You buy green zucchinis, remove the skin, rub some salt and olive oil, put it in the oven for about 20 minutes on 350, and then you can just add it on top of the stew and let it cook for about 25 minutes till everything is completely mixed, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. You have to put the lid on and let it simmer on medium-low temperature for about 25 minutes. If it's longer, it's still okay, because you know Persian food is all about patience, and the more you wait, the more delicious your food is going to be. Perfect, our dinner is ready. The last finishing touch is I have some saffron. I'm going to add it to the zucchinis, and then our dinner is ready to be served. This is a very traditional dish from Tehran. It's absolutely delicious. It's very healthy. It's zucchini stew, but we call it Khoresht Kadoo. And I have basmati rice with saffron, onion, yogurt, and this is a very old terme from my beloved grandmother, and I'm very privileged to have this. I wanted to present this to you. I wish you love this food. It is absolutely delicious. And thanks again for watching my videos, asking me to post more videos for you. Thank you so much. I love you very much, and bon appetit, Nusha Jam. See you next time.